In this video, I will show you how you can add the battery widget of your AirPods 4 on your iPhone or iPad. Now to do this, first of all, on your iPhone or on your iPad, just tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen. After that, just tap on Edit, and from here just select Add Widget. Now on this page, just scroll down and look for the option for batteries. Now just tap on Batteries, and from here you will find all the battery widgets available. Now just select the widget which you like. For an example, I will select this one, tap on Add Widget, and you will be able to add the widget to your home screen. And from here, you can increase or decrease the size of the widget as you like. And once you're done customizing your widget, just tap on Done. And over here, as you can see, you can check the battery status of your AirPods case and the AirPods themselves. And this is how you can add the battery widget of your AirPods 4 on your iPhone or on your iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.